Greenwood Superintendent and school board members met this afternoon in a special call meeting inside of the central office in downtown Greenwood. Our camera only caught the meeting as it was adjourning. Now, board members and Superintendent Dr. Montreal Green left the room very quickly without commenting to media. We later learned that the board has approved of letting two law firms defend this 46-page audit report from Mississippi Department of Education. Those law firms include Butler Snow in Ridgeland and Adam and Reese law firm in Jackson, alongside the board's attorney Carlos Palmer. Of course, ABC6 got a copy of this audit report. Based on this report, Greenwood Public School District is in violation of an accreditation policy and in violation of dozens of standards. Now, thousands of dollars spent by the district is being questioned by the state. Also, allegedly, the superintendent, who is also a preacher and consultant, is not complying with a GPS policy, which prohibits superintendents from engaging in other businesses. There are a lot of allegations concerning the safety issues with buses and school facilities. Greenwood Public Schools released a statement earlier this morning on Facebook. It says, in part, "We believe that the Mississippi Department of Education has possibly drawn conclusions during its visit from a few dissatisfied people rather than the silent majority who are helping us maximize the potential of their students." Both Superintendent Green and Board President Bill Clay are ordered to appear before the State Department on Tuesday morning. I will be there for every minute of this meeting. For more on this story, please check out our new website, WABG.com. In our Greenwood Bureau, Justin Moore, ABC 6 News.